In this video, we will explore the steps to back up, restore, and delete a Plant SCADA project. Let's begin by backing up a project. In the project activity, choose Home. Next, click the Backup button on the command bar. The Backup Project dialog will then appear. Here, you are given a list of options. First, you can choose the project name you want to back up. You also have the option to include any associated projects in the backup file. These associated projects will be stored in a subdirectory called _include projects. Now, input the path to the backup file location, ensuring the file name is included. You have the option to type the path directly or use the Browse button.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.